Okay, YouTubers, I've just watched YouTube for about 30 minutes. I could not find a comprehensive video on this Kohler 1733 carb. I can start it with starting fluid, but it will not run, so I'm assuming it's a carb. Here's what I'm looking at. I'm going to dig in and let you guys know if I can get it running. It starts with starting fluid for 15 seconds. Okay, first off, I took out these two nuts here and one bolt there with a small spacer. It gives me access to the carburetor. I do want to say that I lent this to my neighbor, and he's not the sharpest tool in the shed. He went to Brown University, so I may have to empty all the gas out because he might have added water or something stupid in there. Alrighty, bye. Okay, so I got the carb off. I took these two nuts off from the bottom. That allowed me to get to here. I then removed this, sorry for the shitty camera, but I just have my handheld phone. I removed the float bowl. As you can see, you might not be able to see, there's a small jet there in the end. So I sprayed carb cleaner through every possible hole I could imagine. I wiped it all down, and I'm going to put it back together and see if she runs. I also emptied out all the neighbor's gas, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully she starts. Okay, YouTube, I got it all back together, and the bugger was the kill switch wires. They were about an inch too short. Kohler, if someone is watching, please make those an inch longer. They were a bear to get back in. The kill switch. It starts in one pole and runs super good. So anyway, the simple carb clean out gets her going. Bye.